Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances with a product that promises to make your meal prep easier and more enjoyable. We recently came across the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker in steamer and white, and we've added a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker in steamer? As the name suggests, this compact kitchen appliance is designed to cook up to 3 cups of rice, making it an ideal choice for small families or individuals who love rice but don't want to make a large batch each time. But it's not just a rice cooker, it also doubles as a steamer, allowing you to prepare a variety of healthy dishes with ease. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this rice cooker. First and foremost, it boasts an easy-to-use single switch control, which makes cooking rice a breeze. No complicated settings or buttons here, just switch it on, and you're good to go. The see-through glass lid with a stay-cool knob is another fantastic feature. It allows you to monitor the cooking process without having to lift the lid, preventing heat loss and ensuring perfectly cooked rice every time. Speaking of safety, the stay-cool handles make it easy to transport the cooker from one place to another, whether you're taking it to a potluck or moving it from the kitchen to the dining table. The durable nonstick inner cooking pan is another plus. It not only makes cleaning up a lot easier but also ensures that your rice doesn't stick, giving you that perfect fluffy texture. Every Zojirushi rice cooker comes with a handy plastic measuring cup, which is specifically designed for measuring uncooked short-grain white rice. This cup has a capacity of 6 ounces, which is about 3/4 of a US measuring cup. It's worth noting that one of these cups of raw rice typically yields about 2 to 3 cups of cooked rice, so you can easily adjust your servings based on your needs. Now, who is this rice cooker suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys rice but doesn't want to go through the hassle of cooking it on the stove, this appliance is perfect for you. It's also great for busy individuals or small families who want a quick and reliable way to prepare rice as a side dish. Additionally, if you're health conscious and looking for ways to incorporate more steamed vegetables into your diet, the steaming function allows you to cook veggies alongside your rice, promoting a balanced meal. In terms of practical use cases, this rice cooker is versatile. You can use it for preparing various types of rice, including short grain, long grain, jasmine, and even brown rice. The steaming function opens up a world of possibilities, think steamed fish, dumplings, or even a medley of fresh vegetables. It's also perfect for meal prepping. You can cook rice in bulk and store it in the fridge, ready to be paired with different proteins and vegetables throughout the week. In conclusion, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker and steamer is a compact, user-friendly appliance that combines functionality with convenience. Whether you're a rice lover, a busy professional, or someone looking to embrace healthier cooking methods, this rice cooker checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.